Hello, my listeners. Hope you are waiting for the next short story. So, here I am with the next short story, and the name of the story is Keep Faith in Whatever You Do. Harish was a man who was raised in a village. In his mind, there was a desire to move forward. There was enthusiasm to do something good. So, after convincing his family members, he went to the city for further studies. Harish was a top class student from the beginning. He also passed from college with good numbers. A job was also found in a good company. After about 4 5 years, Harish returned to the village and saw that even today people had the same feeling of love and affection. People of the village used to call Harish Engineer Babu. Hearing this, Harish felt respect in his mind somewhere. After staying in the village for a few days, someone told Harish that a Sadhu Baba has come to the village and that whenever he dances, it starts raining. Surprised, Harish was a student of science and he knew that no such magic was possible. He felt that this Baba is fooling the innocent villagers. Thinking this, he went to meet the Baba. Harish went and told the Baba that you do not have any magic. If your dancing can cause rain, then my dancing will definitely do. Some villagers also gathered to watch. Harish started dancing, looking at the sky repeatedly while dancing. But it did not rain. Harish got tired in a while. Now it was the Baba's turn, and he started dancing. He kept on dancing for a very long time, yet it did not rain. The Baba was also constantly dancing, and after a long time, clouds started pouring in the sky. Baba kept dancing for hours but did not get tired. After some time, it rained heavily. Harish bowed his head in shame and asked Baba about this magic. Baba said, Son, it is not magic, nor is it any art. It is just a cold faith. Whenever I dance, I keep two things in my mind. First, I assure myself that if I dance, it will rain. And secondly, if it does not rain, I will dance until it rains. This is the secret of rain and dance. Never before had I experienced this precious knowledge of life. Similarly, keep this mantra in your mind before starting any new job or any new business. Keep faith in yourself that you will definitely be successful. And if you are not successful, then you will keep trying till you become successful. This is the mantra of every success. Have a great day. Hope you all are enjoying the story. Thank you.